This video will provide you with some tips and how to perform regular maintenance to increase the durability of your headphones. You will need to prepare a soft dry cloth like a microfiber cloth, or some tissue paper, or cotton swabs if you do not have a microfiber cloth. If the earbuds are not well maintained, and foreign substances such as dust or earwax build up, the volume may seem lower than usual or not come out at all. The headphones may not charge properly, or the water-resistant or dust-proofing performance may be affected. We recommend carrying the headphones regularly to prevent these issues. Tip number 1. If foreign substances, sweat, or moisture is left on the charging port, wipe it off immediately and let it dry at room temperature. Otherwise, the charging function may be affected or not be possible at all. Be sure to regularly clean the contact points of the charging case and headphones using a soft cloth or cotton swab. Do not use wet wipes or solvents such as thinner, benzene, or alcohol when cleaning the earbuds. Tip number 2. Without removing the earbuds, wipe off any dirt inside the sound outlet holes using a soft cloth. Here's how to remove the earbud tip to clean it thoroughly. While holding down the unit, twist and pull to remove the earbuds. Do not pinch the end of the earbud when removing it. Clean the area after removing the earbud, ensure the hole is not blocked with earwax. Tip number 3. This is for water-resistant or dust-proofing models only. If water or sweat remains in the sound output holes, the sound may become difficult to hear. To remove any remaining water or sweat, over a dry cloth, turn the headphone piece so that the sound hole is pointed downward and gently tap about 5 times to allow any water or sweat to drain out. Make sure that no water or sweat is left in the sound outlet hole and microphone hole. Firmly reattach the earbuds completely, making sure the earbuds are not loose or skewed. Once the earbuds are attached, check to see if the headphones work properly. After cleaning the headphones, leave them at room temperature and allow them to dry completely before putting them in the charging case. When drying the headphones, if the IR sensors touch the table, the headphones may think they are being used and may continue to consume battery power. To avoid this, lay the headphones with the IR sensor sideways or facing up. Tip number 4. Make sure there is no water or moisture around the headphones or peripheral items before charging the headphones. Be aware that even if your headphones are water-resistant or dust-proof, the charging case is not. If water or moisture enters inside the charging case, it can cause a short circuit of the internal components or corrosion of the headphones and/or the charging case. Tip number 5. When the headphones are not in use, store them in a cool temperature environment and places not exposed to direct sunlight. Avoid placing the headphones near high-temperature devices that emits heat, such as mobile batteries and smartphones in use and inside bags. You may visit our Sony support website for more support content, or receive firmware update notifications via our Support by Sony app by scanning these QR codes above with your mobile device. Thank you for watching.